This is Signal Hounds talking RF, and today we're talking products. Our products are designed to deliver accurate and thorough RF analysis measurements, offering all the features you need in a powerful and versatile format. Whether you're needing EMC pre-compliance capabilities in a small two-person shop, or spectrum monitoring on a national scale, Signal Hound test and measurement equipment is designed with you in mind. Can you give an example of why someone should choose like a BB60C over an SM200 or vice versa?
I guess recently there was a customer that had a BB60C and it had been making all of their measurements. They had a new requirement come down the pipeline and they needed to make even better adjacent channel power measurements. The BB60C just couldn't do it. So they called us up and we said, the SM200 is going to be a fantastic fit here because your dynamic range in this 40 megahertz spectrum that you care about, with the SM200 is going to be fantastic. The SP145, we actually chose size and power and linearity over a preselector because there's a lot of applications where that preselection isn't as important, but you still need the dynamic range. And so the SP145 is kind of our first product that, especially for the telecom industry, where they're generally the strongest signal in the area, and they really need to know that they're staying inside their bandwidth. The SP145 is I think, going to be perfect for those applications.
So, Justin, can you talk a little bit about the SM435 series, our newest product line?
With the SM435, the ADM-V1014 really helped bridge that gap from 24 to 43.5 gigahertz. And so there was a little bit of sourcing of filters because of that frequency quadrupler in the ADM-V1014. To get good spurious-free dynamic range, we actually had to add a bank of, I think it's 7 millimeter wave frequency filters in there after the 2 preselector filters. So there's a lot going on under the hood to clean up from that 24 to 43.5 gigahertz. But I think some of the greatest innovations were actually in that 6 to 24 gigahertz range. One of the biggest changes was the SM435 is a higher power device. It uses a few more watts of power. And most of that is actually in the LO section, because any garbage you have on your LO is going to translate directly to noise or garbage on your signal. And so adding that bank of narrower bandpass filters on the LO really enabled us to take that 6 to 24 gigahertz region to the next level as well.
If you could pick one thing that they do best, better than any competing product in this, that rivals the size, the cost, the functionality, what would you pick that it does absolutely best?
I'm really, really proud of the translation loop in the SM435. It's got fantastic phase noise, and the VCO actually has good inherent performance. So from 1 megahertz to 10 megahertz, we actually roll off pretty much to the noise floor. And then 1 megahertz in, we're just following right along the OCXO performance multiplied up. So that really gives us just incredibly good ability to see close in. If you're thinking about like Doppler radar, or if you're thinking about maybe even making phase noise measurements on an incoming radar signal. All of these things, because the phase noise is so low, they're possible. They wouldn't be possible if it was higher.
Justin here would be happy to answer any questions if you want to leave them in the comments section below. You can tell us what you think of the videos, what you'd like to learn more about, what Justin could maybe give us some more information about. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.